Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani and we're back with another exciting video. So today, why did you do that? Keep going, you distract me. This video is very exciting because we are rating.
Exciting. Grammar, bitch.
What
This video is very excited. You said excited.
Oh, maybe it's exciting. This video is very exciting because we're rating MAYMAY Entrada after 1 year.
1 year later.
1 year later.
1 year later.
So here we go. We age a year. Let's see how she's looking.
So we're curious what happens on her Instagram now a year later because we saw it a year before. That's how we started the Instagram rates actually.
Oh my
She's
god,
one of the first ones. Did we start with her?
I think so. We started with some. Yeah, she was one of the first.
I think it was Liza, Nadine, or or MAYMAY. Either of the three of them. Anyway.
But never Tony La Brusca, the one that I recommended from the
Well,
day
you
one.
didn't. You never suggest.
I always suggest Tony
Next
and
one.
Marco Kumabauma.
Before we begin, comment below whose other Instagram we should raid next. And if you guys didn't know, we are traveling the world next year for the whole year, full time. We're not coming back to Canada. So if you want to follow our adventure, please go ahead subscribe to our travel channel. Link down below. We are so excited. And
Ready to go.
And we wanna see you all wherever you are from part of the world next year. So comment below where you're from and we're gonna do meet and greets and we're gonna see you all. And without further ado,
let's get right.
Wait, subscribe to my Instagram first.
No.
Follow me on Instagram. We have a competition. Whoever reaches 10,000 followers will take somebody, we'll take that person out to dinner. We'll take the loser out to dinner.
So guys, follow me and follow Yani.
No, follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so this is my Instagram. Go ahead, follow it. Look, I have 9,332.
I know why you posted that profile picture because you want
I am almost
people
at
to brag about
10,000. So when I win, Fabi will take me out to dinner.
No.
Okay. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead search.
His body doesn't look like that. That's the truth.
It's nice from afar.
Let's show live.
My body is nice from afar. From afar.
From a blind person. It's not. Let's show live in camera.
Stop. Here we go. MAYMAY Entrada. Of course, absolutely, I'm following her. Okay, what did we find out about MAYMAY Entrada after the first Instagram raid? She is high fashion model.
She has huge eyes.
She has huge, beautiful eyes.
Yeah. You can put the entire palette of colors on her lid.
Her face is very high fashion. That's what I like about it. And she photographs very, very well.
She models. She runs wave so well.
And bitch, her boyfriend Edward is such a baby face. More baby face than Fabio.
Gosh.
My gosh.
Gorgeous guy.
Okay, so now I forgot how many followers she had during our first Instagram raid, but now she has 4.3 million.
Wow.
801 posts and she's following 987.
Wow. Okay, let's see.
A lot of my friends are following her. Luke 137. Hey Siri, what is Luke 137? Hey Siri, what is Luke 137? Bitch.
You put do not disturb.
Oh, is that what it is?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, let's see the first
Anyway,
picture.
wait, hold on. Let's check out her highlights. She has a lot of highlights now. So she went traveling. Look. Oh, so she really is. She has faith.
That's on her Instagram. Luke, the first thing she posted.
Yeah, so she is a daughter of God. God wants to make the bitter and your life better. There's no hurt you can experience that Jesus doesn't understand. Wow. Oh, I love this. I love she's very into motivational thing. Let us think about each other and help each other to show love and good deeds. Very positive. So she's a very positive girl. She went to Japan.
Oh my god.
With Edward.
Why
is Edward's face like that? She looks like a 10-year-old girl.
I was just gonna say. And it's
so
also the
tiny.
sweater, the ears. Probably she's like 15.
Very Asian.
Oh my god.
Oh, she really is like a girly girl. Like she loves stuffed toys.
What is this? Because remember when she did the TikTok?
Yeah.
Video? Oh my god, that was
They're
so
hilarious. Funny. Okay, first photo. Where is this? She said Oppa, so I think that's in Korea.
Oppa technically is Greek.
No, that's Korea too.
Oh, is it?
Don't make it white. No, don't make
that's
everything
what they
white.
say.
Don't make everything white,
Oppa.
Fabio. Jesus.
Okay.
Oh, beauty bubble.
Mermaid fished.
Wow, she looks like she just got caught in the ocean.
Yeah, that's what I said.
She's a mermaid.
Wow.
Oh, that's
beauty
nice.
Bubble. Oh, that's really cool actually.
Look at the eyeshadow. Should we recreate that eyeshadow?
Very easy to recreate because you just put it on 3 fingers. You do this,
Done. Wow.
Wow.
Do you have enough hairpin?
She was so wasted, she did the eyeshadow on the bottom instead of the top.
Oh yeah, it does look like she just woke up. Or like she has dark circles. Maybe that's like couture. Maybe
I think
that's editorial.
I think that's Korean look.
That's editorial, but I don't dig it though.
I'm not loving it.
Maybe it's editorial. Okay, this is
Ooh.
nice with like gold.
Gold leaves.
Gold
24
leaves.
karat.
She probably fell, but then she just took the photo. I
Red
mean,
is
it's high
my
fashion.
favorite.
Aww.
Nice. It looks like your profile, not profile, the picture we took the other day
Aww.
with your jean jacket. Wow.
Aww, she's so cute. Look at that smile.
Yeah. And look at Edward's shadow.
I'm allergic to MAYMAY.
Let's all take a moment to remember that behind these posts, there's an Instagram boyfriend.
Always, there's like a lot of Instagram boyfriend. Fabio is my Instagram boyfriend. Wow, she looks like she's about to do samurai. Oh my god, this is Pooh.
Wow, she looks good in this
She
one.
looks like Who Run the World Girls. Who Run the World Girls. Wow, it's sponsored by Modest. You know what Modest?
Tampons, maybe?
Napkins.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, her face changes so much with makeup.
Angel! See how amazingly her face just changes different. She's like girly girl here, and then when you come here, she's like high fashion.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
she wanna cut you.
Oh my gosh, that skin.
Oh my god, I can't stop looking at her face. She's like beautiful.
Wow, look at that ponytail.
She sings too?
Maybe it's Morissette.
That's not Morissette. Wow, interpretive dance with Edward.
Oh,
Imagine Edward would carry you.
I would love that. He would struggle a lot. He would struggle.
Because you're not skinny like my. Lucky fan. She could literally wear whatever clothing and she could make it high fashion. I like
She loves those glitters, like randomly put
That
in
is
the face.
very popular in the beauty community right now with Euphoria show.
Yeah, you know what she does? She puts it down on a table and it's like reading tarots. She's like,
Pretty.
my day is gonna be beautiful.
Pretty. Sold out. They had a concert. They did have a concert sponsored by Napkin. Wow. Oh, this is the ball. The ABS-CBN ball.
yeah.
Look at
Wow,
that.
that dress is beautiful, so Filipino.
Yeah, but she looks so statuesque.
It looks like a tattoo.
It's amazing
on
how
her
she
whole
can
body.
bend her body like that. Because look at the dress. It looks like so stiff and it looks like so wrapping her body, but she could move.
Beautiful dress, actually.
Oh, there we go.
Look at Edward, how good it looks.
Oh, they're very cohesive. Did you see this? I
He looks
waited
like a
there.
soldier.
Yeah, I reviewed their red carpet look.
Wow.
The roses really added a nice touch.
Edward adds a very nice touch.
Eye patch.
The gold eye patches.
Is she lip syncing or is that her singing?
Oh my gosh, she put it so far up, that one that is in her eye.
Oh, she's singing. She got personality.
She's very goofy. I think it's
Goofy.
a very funny girl to hang out with.
I would like to be her girlfriend, best friend.
Look at Mega.
Mega Magazine.
Sponsored by napkins. They should make a dress out of napkins and sponsor it.
Oh wow, slow. I thought it was Catriona Gray for 1 second.
Very
look,
flexible.
she reached 4 million August 26th.
Damn.
She really is a high fashion model. How tall is she?
I think she's very short.
Look at that walk.
Those legs though. Crazy.
I can't stop
How
looking
can she
at
balance
her.
on those two sticks?
I can't stop looking at her. Wait, is this a show?
I think it's a funny video. Oh my god.
Oh, bye Edward.
Bye.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, she almost fell.
Is that her YouTube channel?
What?
She has a YouTube channel.
Oh my
my
gosh.
gosh,
Let's
that is a
collab.
Skinny, skinny, skinny.
God is going to give you more than you asked for.
Amen.
Yeah, like my back pain, it's way more than I asked for, but God gave it to me still.
Oh, here's another
Insta
slow-mo
boyfriend.
video. Where did they go? San Francisco.
Looks like a zoo.
I wonder if she get recognized in the US when they
I don't
go
think.
there. Aww. I love the slow-mo shots of her. I love her smile. Modest. She really is sponsored by Modest.
Hello, love, goodbye. Oh, I remember.
Oh, she was in that movie.
Yeah.
ASAP, Bay Area.
How cute they are.
Oh, she did that. She recreated the
Catriona.
Catriona. Many people requested that reaction for that, but we didn't get the time. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, she does look like
Wow, she looks like her.
Catriona.
Oh, with Vice Ganda.
Vice Cosmetics, yeah. So she did the recreation, but wow.
I wonder if she did a walk too.
Oh, blue.
Wow. I like her in blue and in red is very nice. Also in red. Face. Let's see.
Face mask. Oh my god, she did this. She loves doing this game. She does the face mask and she does the Flappy Bird.
What is the Flappy Bird?
Look. See?
What's a Flappy Bird?
That one! That's a game. You blink and then it goes up and down, but she's very good at it.
No way.
She's very good at it. She goes like 100. I was obsessed with this. I go like 500 when I was in university.
Oh my
I
God.
never listened.
I've never ever played.
It's
this
on
game.
Instagram.
I never even knew about this.
Yeah, no, I've never listened in my accounting classes because I keep on playing this game. But
This
not
looks
but
very
in the
hard.
past. It was like the top thing on the palm.
It looks so hard.
It is hard because you need
You
coordination.
need to flap your eyes.
It's not that fast though. She just fast forward.
Oh, she did.
Oh,
Oh,
see, she died 70.
wow.
She's talented. She's a girl with many hidden talents. She looks like a woman here. Very regal.
Very regal.
Cute.
I love seeing her success. Honestly, when we recreated the Edwards and MAYMAY, remember the photo shoot, the
Yep.
mega photo shoot?
Mhm.
Then we watched their stories on TikTok and red carpets. Remember when she did the fashion show in Dubai? Was it Dubai?
Yeah, Dubai. If not because of you guys, we wouldn't know her. So thank you so much for suggesting checking out her Instagram.
Yeah.
I really think she is the first one we rated actually.
Probably she's the first one.
Because
yeah.
I'm Filipino, yes, I always say this, but I never follow with Filipino trends because I don't have Filipino channel but I have YouTube, but like when I moved to Canada, all these new artists just popped up and I didn't know about them. So thank you so much. If not because we wouldn't know how fashionable and high
Yeah,
fashion
and we love seeing their progression in their career. Because even, you remember Catriona when we first started?
it was just
She had
600,000.
Yeah, 600,000, something like that. And now she's like millions of followers. She's
Yes.
doing crazy things. I just love seeing how they improve and they grow.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Suggest below who we should rate next, and we'll see you next time.
See you!
Bye guys.